Nakakaloka. Sorry, I'm here now for my vlogging. Okay, guys. So, hello. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my now general knowledge examination. Okay, so we have 12 questions. You see, right? YouTube content creator, Sotero. Now is general knowledge exam. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Number two, the blocks of protein. Number three, of life. Number four, the basic unit of the society. Number five, the basic unit of the amount of a substance. Bumalik siya. Sorry, it's number six. Okay, the basic unit of heredity in living organisms. Let's change the number because it's wrong. Okay, wait for a while, guys, huh? Let's correct this one for a while. Okay, I have to change the numbering. Okay, oh my 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is 12, right? This is 13, 14. Sorry, this is not 12 questions, but rather 15 questions. Okay? So, 15 questions all in all. Okay, wait. So, heredity and living organisms. Number 7, the largest organ of the human body, machine of the human body, where detoxification occurs. Number 9, the powerhouse of the cell. Number 10, the raw material and precursor of uric acid. Number 11, a year when the planet Pluto declared as a dwarf planet status. Number 12, a year when the new element ununinium was discovered as an additional in the periodic table as 119 element. Okay. Number 13, how many moons in the solar system? How many moons overall? Number 14, the heaviest naturally occurring element. Okay, which is obviously have atomic weight of 238 grams per mole. What's that? Number 15, the mass of the Earth. Have you what is the Earth? What is the mass of the Earth? Okay, so in my vlog, you will know the mass of the Earth. Okay, then we can compare that also to the mass of the Sun, but it's not included here. So we will just also announce that later on. Okay, number one, the building blocks of life of DNA is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da-dan! The answer is... Wait, I don't have an... Wow, I love it! Right? Hello, I love it. The answer for this is DNA. The building blocks of DNA is nucleotide. Okay. Nucleotides. Okay. The building blocks of protein information, then the baby will not be broccoli. The baby is composed of amino acids and with our DNA, then corresponding, of nucleotides. With the point. So amino acids. Okay. So the building blocks of life, again, we will die because we cannot stand, we cannot we don't have energy, we cannot carry the things and objects, we cannot do the work without protein. Okay, protein is the building blocks of life. Okay, like that. Blocks, the building blocks, a building. So you answer also foundation. Okay, things like that. So number four, the basic unit of the society. So some will answer home, house, or family, but the correct answer specifically is family. Okay, it's the basic unit of society in which learning has been taught first in the family. It's not in school. Okay, and the proper values, attitude, good manners, like that proper decorum, and behaving in an ethical way in the society and community has been taught in the family, within the home, not in the school. Okay, family. Okay, your attitude and personality reflects your family tree, your parents, like that, things like that. Okay, the way how you grow up, okay, by your parents. Okay, number five, the basic unit of the amount of substance, this is chemistry, right? It's gonna be mole. M-O-L-E. Okay, the basic unit of heredity in living organisms, it has to do something talking about the offsprings of hereditary traits and character. It's gonna be obviously the genes. Okay, genetic factor. Okay, due to genetic factor, so it can cause a disease, more usually chronic diseases. Okay, number seven, the largest organ of the human body, sometimes we'll say it's liver, others also will say that is the okay, sorry, the filtering machine of the human body is not the immune system, it's the liver. Okay, sorry, because the immune system is to fight against body's infection. It has to do something with the disease. Okay, prevention. But when you say filtering machine, it will only detoxify, but not necessarily fighting or killing. Right? So it's gonna be liver, not the immune system. Number nine, the powerhouse of the cell. So our body is composed of billions and trillions of cells. Without cells, we will also die. Okay, this is mitochondria. Okay, in the mitochondria, so this is where the starting point of, the folding, the replication of our DNA. Because it has to do something with the production of the DNA. So we need to eat carbohydrates because it's in there. We can gain the ribose sugar and the deoxyribose sugars, in which very important to produce DNA. So deoxyribonucleic acid. The deoxyribonucleic there is the deoxyribose. Okay. So, literally they are all important to survive, but if it is above the required, will be dangerous or harmful. Okay, things like that. So number 10, the raw material and precursor of uric acid is purine. Purine, okay? C5H4N4. Okay. A year when Pluto declared as a dwarf planet. So we have now 8 planets as opposed previously in our study, students from the 90s, 2000s. In the year 2016, the solar system became a dwarf planet because in our solar system we have a lot of dwarf planets. So now the farthest planet in the solar system is the Neptune. Okay, not the Pluto anymore. Again, Pluto is not a planet, it's a dwarf planet. Okay, things like this. So, a year when Pluto did this is 2016. Latest discovery. Okay, it is now reflected in different textbooks in the new generations. But the old and obsolete and ancient books for the older people, not yet changed. But the new reproduced textbooks regarding science, it has been changed already to 8 planets. Okay? Things like that. And here, when neodymium element was discovered, so this is also latest. Before we have 118 elements discovered by based on increasing atomic number, atomic size, things like that, and increasing also electronegativity. Okay, that is the new element discovered in 2018. Okay, 2 years after. Okay, 2 years after declaration that Pluto will become now a dwarf planet, not a planet. 2 years after they discovered new element in 2018 named neodymium. So our elements now in the periodic table is 119 before 118. But this is also subject to argumentation because during the even though the heavenly bodies, the dwarf planets have also things like that. Okay, because if planets have and there's only 8 planets, it's impossible to become 146, right? Okay, number 14, the heaviest naturally occurring element. Okay, it's very easy also in chemistry. So if you can still remember, it's having atomic weight, of 238 gram per atom. So this is uranium. Okay, things like that. Uranium is the heaviest naturally occurring element. Why we specified? Because we have artificially prepared element which are the lanthanide series and the actinide series in the last 2 levels of the family of our periodic table, meaning arranged, with atomic properties like the blah blah blah, so and so in a horizontal. Horizontal means family, vertical means group. That's why I said the last two family or horizontal will be the artificially prepared elements, which are the lanthanide series and the actinide series. So that's why it's very important to state specifically the heaviest naturally occurring, because there are also elements are artificially prepared. You get the point? Things like that. So it's uranium. But if the question really there are choices, it could be also saying the heaviest element. Okay, but if there's confusion, then you have we are others already dying, already have the disease, 100 years old, 80 years old, but we are really taking natural and